How is your energy level today? And how is the level of savings in your bank account? Is there something left or it's drying up already? I'd like to share with you today a very simple strategy in managing personal finances. Very simple in the sense that you do not need a degree in university to learn and practice these tips. I suggest you prepare 3 envelopes and mark each envelope. Envelope number 1 is for your payment to yourself. From the salary that you've received, pay yourself 10%. This is your savings. You can place that in your personal bank account. It is better if this bank account is not something that you can easily withdraw. Envelope number 1 is your savings envelope. It's up to you to think about the purpose of the money in your savings envelope. Envelope number 2 is for your expenses. You can allocate 80% of your income for this envelope. You may also decide to apportion lower than 80% if you think you can manage. Discipline yourself to spend not just within your means but below your means. At the end of the day, it is crucial that you do not place yourself into unnecessary debt. Envelope number 3 is the Thanksgiving envelope. You may place 10% to this envelope. This 10% is for us to give to God as tithe and offering. This is our way of thanking the Lord for the blessings He bestowed upon us and to remind us that all the blessings come from God. How do you feel when you give something? You feel good, right? So let us continue to give as our way of showing our gratitude to God. These are simple tips, but many are not able to do it because we think that we do not have enough. We encounter troubles in these areas when we do not discipline ourselves with our finances. Let us discipline ourselves with small income so that we can be entrusted with bigger income. Whether with a small or bigger salary, discipline should be seen in us. These are 3 simple tips that I hope will help you in managing your finances. May these simple strategies aid us in growing the finances that God has given us to steward. As steward, we are not owners. The good thing is God has full confidence in us. That is why He gave us the resources that we ought to manage and let it grow.